we started this effort about 6 months ago, but we quickly realized that in order to disseminate all the information and get feedback from the programs and get this initiative started, that really there was no possible way to implement it for the upcoming interview cycle. So unfortunately, this year is going to be similar to past years, where those programs that use EROS the applications will open in December 2022. I'm sure the frenzy will start, and within a few days, program directors will go through the applicant files, offer interviews, and that can highly vary, as we've discussed. Some programs will interview in December, some January, some February, and they'll be rolling offers until fellowship programs are complete. And then the fellows will start in July 2024. So even if we get buy-in for a match, it will not apply to this coming year. So while that is a disadvantage and it will continue to be a little strenuous and stressful this year for the applicants and programs, it will certainly allow sufficient time to put new processes in place for the programs to learn these electronic systems, set up interviews, and get all the resources they need in line for the match for 2025. So if we are successful, and we are going to just assume we're going to be, in getting the necessary buy-in, which is at least 75% of programs and 75% of the positions, what will happen is, instead of EROS opening in December in 2023, that timeline will be pushed forward to July of 2024. So we'll have a whole additional 6 months to prepare for the formal match system. So in July, applicants can start uploading their applications, assuring that all the documentation and the letters of recommendation are complete. Starting in August 2024, fellowships will have full access to all the applicant criteria. And then they have, honestly, the leisure of looking through those and setting up interviews on their own timeframes. That way they may be able to stagger interviews for other subspecialties like electrophysiology, general cardiology. They don't all have to be at the same time, because we have until match day to put the list in, or right before match day to submit your match list. And then fellows will find out and start shortly that same year in July 2025.